Welcome guys. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your Amazon bounty program account. Okay, how to create an account the right way and how to add your payment method. Okay, because one of the main reasons you guys get banned is you guys create your account wrongly. Okay, so if you have gotten banned already before, if you want to create an account, you'll be using a different name. Okay, you're not going to use the same name. Okay, so let me just go step by step. Okay, so I just want to tell you that I have a WhatsApp group regarding this Amazon bounty program. Okay, I also post make money online opportunity on the group. Okay, so join the WhatsApp group chat. It's in the link in the description of this video. Okay, so just click on the first link in the description of the video, tap on it and join the WhatsApp group chat. Okay, so and this is your first time, you kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so this is a new browser actually. Okay, like I've not created any account on this new browser. Okay, I'm using a Gmail. Okay, I've logged in the Gmail on my phone here. Okay, so let's just go step by step. The first thing you have to do first is you have to have an Amazon account. Okay, so let's just create Amazon account here. Okay, you have to create an Amazon account and you have to have a phone number to receive your OTP. Okay, so everything is ready on my end here. Okay, so once you have gotten your account, you click on start here. Okay, you have to create your account. Your name, since I have account with my name already, I don't need to do that. Okay, so my first name, okay, let me just do this. Okay, I have accounts with my name already, so I'm using my brother's name. Phone number or email address, okay, let me just use email address. Okay, if you use phone number, you receive OTP on your phone number. If you use email address, you receive OTP on your email address. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's very easy, nothing stressful here. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys everything how to set up your account the right way so you won't get confused at any point. Okay, so let me just use this password. Okay, then verify your email address. Okay, update, and I will surely receive the code here. Okay, that's the code. Okay, I just have to copy. Okay, Control C, come here, sorry, Control V. I think I've moved this to a new tab, but that doesn't mean. Okay, so I've created my Amazon account straight away. So we then have to open a new tab here and tap on associates. Okay, no, Amazon associates, sorry, Amazon associates. Okay, sign up. Okay, it's very easy. Amazon associates sign up, then you come over here, and this Amazon associates sign up, you see different things you have to do: the account information, website, profile. Okay, so very easy. The payee name, that means the name in your bank account. Okay, so don't actually use your name. If you have created an account, you have gotten banned already, don't use anything related to your name. You can use your brother's name, your friend's name, anything. Okay, so since I use my brother's name, let me continue with the name. Okay, so continue with the name, address. Okay, this address not really important. Okay, because they don't really ask for verification of your identity. Okay, but just select your right country, it's very important. Okay, so from Nigeria, tap on Nigeria here. Okay, tap on Nigeria over here. Okay, then address. Okay, let me just enter a random address because I'm not uploading anything. Okay, let's do this. I'm doing this video step by step, not skipping any parts. Okay, okay, so state, Lagos State. Okay, postal code, you can just google your postal code around your area there. Nigeria, mobile number, I think it should be +234. That's the country code for Nigeria, 234. Okay, then enter your phone number. Please make sure you use a phone number you have not used before. Okay, it's very important because if they detect you are using something you have used before, your account will just get banned. Okay, that's why most people get banned immediately they create an account. Okay, so click on next. So now for the website and apps, this place is very very important. This is where you guys mix up things, okay? So before you say you want to even start any bounty program, you should have a website or a page, a Facebook page, or a traffic source already. Okay, so for me here, I'll be using YouTube channel as an example. Okay, so I want to use this my YouTube channel as my website. Okay, I can use my YouTube channel as my website since I can do review videos on the bounty program offers I want to promote. Okay, so if you have a website, use the website. Okay, so it's very easy. So for my website here, I'll just enter my YouTube link and add. Okay, so you can add multiple websites. Okay, but note, because if you are promoting, you have to promote directly from the website you put here. If it's YouTube link, you must promote from that YouTube channel. So if you know you are going to promote from multiple source, okay, you can just do that, like add all the website links you are using, if it's Facebook page, WhatsApp page, like WhatsApp account, okay, just add everything, okay, because when you are getting commission, they'll have to go to your website to review if they're actually legit referrals or not. Okay, so and if you don't have a website here, you can just input something random here, then you can now edit it before you start promoting. That's why most people make mistake from they enter a random website. Okay, so they start promoting, then they go back to edit it. Okay, so they will surely get back. Okay, so for now I only have one. Okay, so I'll click on next. Are any of these website above primarily? No, it's not for any under 13. Okay, so click on next. So now profile, okay, what is your preferred store ID name? Okay, so just enter something random, something unique. Okay, so let's do this. What are your websites all about? Okay, so my channel, okay, is about let's say finance. Just let me put this, like explain fully. Making money should not be really making money online. Okay, let me just go. It's about finance. Okay, let me just do something like that. So, okay, so if your stuff is about many things, you can just list it there. Okay, my first website, the YouTube channel, is about finance. My second one is about, okay. So because you cannot be using a channel that is meant for finance and be promoting a bounty program that is about maybe about and that thing else. Okay, so what is your just write something related to what you know you're going to promote. Okay, that's why you can also always come back here to edit it. Okay, I'll show you after creating your account how to edit this. Okay, so what's your primary topic? Okay, sometimes you might not see the one like your channel is focused on, or you see something related to. I'm unable to see mine. Okay, so finance, politics, government. No, it's not really what my channel is all about. If I write on others, okay, so let me tap on others. Secondary, let me just tap on computer software. It's not even really pointing towards it. Okay, so if yours is pointing towards it, you can just tap on it. Okay, I'll still tap on others. Okay, so let's just scroll down. After the type of item you tend to list on your website or mobile app. Okay, so what type of offer are you trying to promote? Okay, let me tap. If your channel is or your website is not about health, you don't tap on health. Okay, they are contradicting themselves. Okay, so sometimes you might not really see anything here. Okay, so you can just tap on digital download books. Okay, digital download. Okay, but actually this doesn't matter, it's just formality. Okay, you just want to know, just formality for registration. Okay, but the main important thing is you driving the traffic from the right source. Okay, so is the content. in each website. Okay, secondary type, say blog. Okay, let's just do that. And how do you drive traffic? Okay, so if you're using social network like those social media, okay, and if you're using a web blog, tap on blog. If you're using YouTube channel, you can also tap on blog and SEO, because you're going to probably do SEO. If you have some forums, you can tap on forums. If you want to do paid advertisement, tap on paid search. It's good to tick on all this. How do you utilize to generate? Okay, so if as I'm using my YouTube channel now, there's an ad on my channel already. Okay, so I'll probably tap on um contextual ad at Google AdSense, because it's ad showing on my YouTube channel already. If there's no ads, okay, select this last option here. Okay, but there's ads on my YouTube channel. Tap on that. My secondary, okay, let's just leave that blank. Okay, I usually build link. Let's just tap on other. If you're using the website, just tap on WordPress, Blogger. Okay, so I don't use any of them. I'm using YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel in a month. Okay, let me just say I get around this. Sometimes I get more than that. What's your primary reason for joining Amazon Social Security program? To get, okay, to monetize actually. Where they about us from? You can also write online search, word of mouth, anyone. Okay, it's just formality, but make sure you go through the answer you put here. Okay, then enter the captcha that is here, 777 okay, then I agree, then tap on finish. So after tapping on finish, okay, you see yes, congratulations, this is your associate store ID. Okay, so now the payment and tax information, you can fill them now, you cannot fill them. Okay, so you can fill them now if you tap on now. Okay, so you have to log in. Okay, two-step verification. I have to enter my phone number again. Okay, I have to enter your phone number. Okay, so let me enter the phone number again. 9130805463. Okay, so I've entered. Tap on send OTP. Okay, so OTP will enter my line now. Okay, let me confirm it over here. Okay, 0697 697 690. Okay, 690. Okay, then continue. Then I should be logged in now. Okay, so I've been logged in. Okay, so now you have to add your payment and the rest. But I've actually done a video around this. This is the video here. Okay, how to add payment method and tax information in your Amazon Bounty program. Okay, so I've dropped the link to this video in the description of this video. There will be the link, second link in the description of this video. Tap on it. You learn how to add your payment method and tax ID. Okay, so when you are done with that, then you are fully ready to start promoting. Okay, so these are your dashboard will look like. Okay, something like this. Okay, so get started. Okay, so it's very easy, and even to start promoting your bounty program, come back to promotion here and you see Amazon Bounty program. Okay, so in my next video I'll be doing how to select the right bounty program, how to promote. Okay, because there are tons of bounty programs you can go for. Okay, so I'll be explaining everything step by step. So that will be it for the video, because I just finished showing you how you can set up your Amazon Bounty account. Okay, it's best you set up everything before you start promoting. So kindly give this video a thumbs up if you actually gain something from this, and kindly hit the like button. Okay, that same thing, thumbs up, like button. Also comment the country you are watching this video from. Okay, so I can know where my viewers are coming from. And please don't forget to join the WhatsApp group chat, so if I have any little update I can share it to you guys over there. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.